Because they did was the Nazis, they would take 3 people, tie them together, they would shoot one, shoot the first guy, and the 3 of them would fall into the river. All 3 together. And that's what they did. So that's what they did. So Pesach Brown.
Gel.
So Pesach Brown said he always makes the tell his story. So he tell over the story by the Danube. When he was by the Danube, and he didn't believe there was Jews affected him. He said he came from the Pharaoh when they took him. He said he didn't know what. He started crying. He said he saw Jews but are invited.
Come in, Paulo. You call the Ruch of Mishpat. I don't mean to wait for the Tzaddik Yusha here. See the Ruch of Paulo and the Mati for the Shabbat and the Mama maybe see try much to you. I see the Ruch of Mas and the Das and the Das and the next section I say.
Remember this.
Tzaddik you call the Ruch of Mishpat. Erge Paulo. Hoe de Rachel van Paulo de gisteren. Staat ik aan wat doen de hond met vraagjes. Het is wel goed dat je maar hier geeft, maar hier nog goed en in een rim geeft. Wie nu een erge vraag van een hier geeft. De volgende zijn de raken was hier geeft. Hoe dan een mens nu hier? Ik heb zo'n hier geeft. Maar hier is het leuke dat je hier. Hoe is daar nu hebben ze nemen ze elkaar. Hoe is die kamers hier naar de twee zaken bij en we zouden we die ook aan sluiten de hij niet. Daniel, dan ik in tweede keer gezegd hoe dit dag met de recht op de degel. En de harde dagen met de degel had ik altijd wat doe je nou in de Jusa met de degel. Daar en met 27 gram is terug naar de wemmen. Ze gaan goed op 20 gram. Levensspel ga je weer degel, tweede man in de middel weer degel. Vragen maar weet het zo in degel, we zijn met normaal geeft die degel. Bedoelen wij te vragen dat die was in de degel van hier zegt van daar kunnen we doen, dus dit bedrijf hebben we prima bedoeld. Hagit Yusha Adoino, Tiri Vlavoy, Adoino, Lusam, Adoino, Luka. Die zijn met een veilig bedacht met elkaar willen we als we dit willen zouden we ook moeten. We zeggen dat ik het misleid.
I didn't know you know somebody who was a fisherman.
The inner card is
Cherokee actually.
I know.
Adam be careful, you have a nimshot to the hands.
Yatzman for Kane the Cardish Day. All days Israel, Babylon, man, Arabia, Ru, Amen.
Shabbat, Mispar, Misma, Misnasei, Misanar, Misalev, Misalosh, Shnei Dekudo Shabbat, Richi, Legilam Om, Rosso, Damiran, Belmad, Amen. Shalom Rabbi Fishbain, Ayin Toim Aleinu L'Amo Yisrael, Amen.
El Molei Rachamim Sheichein Vameroi Am Semenuch Nechona Al Kanfei Ashchino Maloi Kedoshim Tehorim Kezoi Harakia Mazehirim Es Nishmas Merein Rabbeinu Harav Reb Shmuel Yosef Ben Reb Nachum Doim Sholach Loilamoi Pavor Shenadvu Bli Neder Tzedakah B'ad Azkaris Nishmasoi V'kol Kahal Misbalalim B'ad Nishmasoi V'gan Eden Hey Menuchaso Mukrein B'al Harachamim Yhaskirehu B'tseisuk Nafav Oilamim Yitzror B'tzor HaChayim Es Nishmasoi Adonai Hu Nachalasoi Yenuach Al Mishkavai B'Shalom V'Naiman Amen.
We make 2 shears on the road.
Go a little more down. We're gonna go that way.
Come over here. Come going over there.
Come to the end.
Here we go.
Where you're walking to.
You got it. Thank you. That's it. Break it up. You mind bringing it in?
Don't worry about it. You're busy with better things.
Who gives it to him? I give it to her. She's here?
Where do you wash?
I'm not sure.
He had a good, rich life. He's always smiling. So what's the
You know, he's by your father every day.
Yeah. I was there Sunday the whole day. So it's saved, right? The video's there. You'll email us, we'll take care of everything, right?
Of course.
If you want to take a little more from here, you could if you want.
Would you like that?
Well, why not? If you might as well. Well, just stay here because she doesn't.
Just stay here? Okay.
Yeah. And then you'll save and send it.
Okay. Oh, good, it was recording. I'm scared. What? Do you live here?
Yeah, I live in Brooklyn. Borough Park.
What's the best way to get back to the city?
I know nothing.
You know
I
nothing?
don't drive. I know nothing.
I would say Palisades.
I took it with me.
Oh, and
Palisades, and then you take the bus.
I would say from Muncie, the Palisades is the best.
Oh my, Hamina. Thank you so much.
How many years are you living?
Are you 4, I think?
There it is.
I bought a jacket because I thought it might be cold. Oh, no, I'm like constantly.
No,
It was so cold.
this morning was very cold. Yeah. Oh, I see. Cute.
How many siblings? What? You have how many siblings?
I have 6 siblings. How about you?
3.
Nice. You're still in school or what?
No, I'm like 30.
You're 30. Wow, you look so
29.
young. Wow. What's your skincare?
Something. Well, I have a big sun hat that wear outside on Shabbos. Like during the summer.
Wow.
That makes me look permanent, but I don't look. Take it off my inside, you know.
You look so young. I mean that as a compliment.
That's good.
Take it negatively. Well, I wish you all the best.
You too, and you should be comforted and that's because
Bye.
I'm
Daven for the shul if you can, because obviously.
What's the name of the shul?
What?
What's the name of the shul?
Base Sinai of White Lake.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Yeah. You should continue what he started. And it's kind of special.
Bye. Wish you all the best.
Of course.
Enjoy.
You too.